I'm Jamie Browning for Auto Glass Digest Product Reviews. Today we'll be reviewing the GlasWeld ecoVac Standard Plus windshield repair system to see how well it performs. Visit the link below for our complete unboxing video on this repair kit and other videos and reviews. At the end of this review, we'll go over the pros and cons of this repair kit and give you additional information. Let's get started. We're going to use a supplied probe to probe around the edges of the brake to make sure there are no invisible breaks and to make sure it's repairable. We'll also use this to remove any debris from the impact area. We use a supplied brush to remove any glass fragments. Place the supplied mirror behind the brake so we can see the damage and the repair process from the front and the back. We're going to use 1 drop of the suction sealant on the suction cups of the stand before we install it. This will ensure that it sticks to the glass properly. And we're now going to center this directly over the impact area. Before we install the piston assembly, we're going to use the injection seal lube. We're going to use a light amount to lubricate the upper piston seal, and we're going to use 1 drop of resin to lubricate the lower piston seal. Use a small amount of lubricant to lubricate the upper chamber. Install the piston assembly into the chamber. We're then going to line up the holes. Put the set screw in. Turn the piston until it's all the way inside the chamber. We're going to back it out 2 full turns. Remove the seal. Place 4 drops of resin into the chamber and then reinstall the end seal. Turn the piston until we see the resin come to the top around the edge of the outer seal. Thread the chamber and piston assembly into the stand directly above the impact area. Once the seal comes in contact with the glass, we want to give it about 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn. Hold the injector assembly and turn the cam lock down. We're now ready to pull a vacuum. We'll do so for 2 minutes. We accomplish this by turning the piston counterclockwise. If you look closely, you can see the air bubbles being vacuumed out of the damaged area. We'll leave this in vacuum for 2 minutes. Enter the pressure cycle. We achieve that by turning the piston until we see the outer seal start to flex. Then we'll know that we have enough pressure. and we'll leave it on the pressure cycle for 2 minutes. Under the pressure cycle, we'll go ahead and probe some of these legs. You can see the damaged area filling up nicely. We're going to run this through one more 2-minute vacuum cycle, 2 more minutes of pressure, and then we'll start the curing process. As you can see, the damaged area is completely filled. Okay, we're going to remove the lamp. For those of you that have never seen the Probe Cure 2, it does have 360 degrees of coverage with LED ultraviolet bulbs. These bulbs will last over 10,000 hours. Alright, we're going to go ahead and remove the assembly. We're going to fill this area in with the supplied pit filler and cure tab. We're now going to cure it with the UV lamp for 45 seconds. I'm going to remove the light, remove the curing tab, remove the excess pit filler, you now have a nice smooth area. So we're going to use 1 drop of pit polish. And we're going to buff this for about 20 seconds. As you can see, I'm very pleased with the results. It's very clear. Everything is filled. The ecoVac Standard Plus kit is more than enough kit for the full-time repair technician. I would certainly recommend this kit for anyone who is looking for a higher end kit with nice accessories. It does have an MSRP of just under $1,400, so it's in the range of other higher price kits. They do offer lower and higher price kits as well. Scored very high in all 5 categories and is geared more towards a windshield repair professional that does repairs full-time or a replacement company that does a lot of repairs additionally. I would like to see it come with an improved device for making practice rock chips, and I would also like to see the kit come with a slightly higher quality mirror and cleaning supplies. The kit is easy to clean and maintain and comes with everything you need to get started. Certainly one of the finer kits on the market. For Auto Glass Digest Reviews, I'm Jamie Browning. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching Auto Glass Digest product reviews. Be sure to check back daily as we are always adding new and exciting products to our unboxing and review library.